Grand rising, everybody. A grand rising to each and every one of you. And today I want to remind you that your daily prayer should always be this prayer that Donnie brought from Jamaica for me so many years ago. Now I place it on the bathroom door, so every morning when or as often as I enter this bathroom to empty my bladder, to empty my bowels, I shall be reminded not to fret myself because of evildoers, neither should I be envious against the workers of iniquity, for they shall soon be cut down like the grass and wither as the green herb. I will always trust in the Lord and do good so that I will dwell in the land, and verily I shall be fed. I will delight myself also in the Lord, and he shall give me the desires of my heart. This is such a true word from David. And as he went through different situations and he cried out to God, these are some of the prayers that he sent up. And we know the story of David. We know the story of David. So guys, let this be your mantra every day. Just remember to not fret. Too often we look at what others have and we want to have it at any cost. We don't know how they got it. We don't know why they got it. But we see it and we think, oh, it would look better on me. Oh, I could have that too. There are people who, because they're not successful in certain things, they're quick to look at other people's stuff, and then they say, if I wanted to have a car, I could have had a car. If I wanted this, I could have had it. But I don't want it. Lies. Everybody wants to do well. Everybody should desire to do well. Some people laugh at you because you might have something and then you're saying, but it's the fact that you're blessed enough that God granted you the desires of your heart and continues to provide for you. So let us step forward, guys. Let us not look at what others have. Let us be satisfied. Let us be content. Let us work hard. And in time, God will grant us what it is that he knows we can manage. God is not giving us things to become a noose around our necks. He is giving us things that will allow us to feel contented. So blessed Wednesday, everybody. Rise and shine. Give God the glory. And know that if you're reading this or listening to this voice, then it means that you are here for another blessed day. So let us appreciate it. Let us give thanks. Let us go forth and do the things that God wants us to do. He says, go out there and take care of those who are in need. Let us pray for those who are sick. Let us feed those who are hungry. He says, take care of the poor, the fatherless, and the widows. So let us not forget, guys. Sometimes we might not feel so blessed because we are not doing the things that God asks us to do. Maybe he asks us to do those things so we can be blessed. I'm telling you, it works. It works. Go do it. It works. Go share what you have with those in need and watch God open up doors for you. Go out there and do it. You can't sit behind closed doors and not do, and then you expect that God is going to give you huge returns. Go out there, do it till it hurts. Go do good, because it's a good thing to do good. Go ahead, go do it.